Introducing our new self-gauging tongue ring. With patented technology, you now have the ability to gauge your tongue at the snap of a hand.
Wish I had a self-gauging tongue ring.
I wish I had a self-gauging tongue ring.
With our scientific know-how, we have created a brand new way of tongue ring stretching. Our company has taken your everyday tongue ring, immersed it in a silicone layer that gradually unravels quickly and pain-free.
Excuse me, sir. Can you buy this product at Spencer's gift shop? Ma'am, can you buy this product at Hot Topic? No.
Buy it from 1-800-I-AM-COOL. 1-800-426-2665. Buy it in the next 5 minutes and you get half off.
And this is a limited time offer.
Side effects include ripping or swelling of the tongue. Your face can fall off. Vaginal bleeding. Nausea, diarrhea, frostbite, loss of hearing and vision, night terrors, excessive sneezing, and death.